it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with day 21 of May I Scraplift You. Today we are scraplifting Wayfaring Panda, and whenever I last checked, she was at 533 subscribers. So I decided to scraplift a layout that she did for Fall Sketch February. And I guess this is the sketch she followed, and this is her layout. I absolutely love her colors that she used on hers. Purple and yellow together are one of my favorite color combinations. And I am also going to combine this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. I'm still using my Simple Stories Simple Vintage Life in Bloom collection. So I fussy cut a couple flowers. I have a couple of ephemera pieces and then just a bunch of paper scraps. I did find this other paper. This is not part of that collection, but this was a basic gray paper I picked up off the free table at the crop I recently went to. And it goes so well. But it was basic gray, green at heart, and I know y'all probably won't believe this, but I found almost a whole collection of two different, green at heart was one of them, and I can't remember what the other collection was, but there was almost a whole complete paper collection of two different sets of basic gray. So y'all know I snagged that up, and it was for free, so yay. And I am going to combine these, or I'm going to use these photos of me and Brooke whenever we went to the plant swap, which I recently did. But these are a little town. This was a little town that we found. Super cute rinky-dink town. It's called Bell Buckle, Tennessee. It's a tiny town, and if you blink, you will literally miss the whole thing. It's one block, maybe the size of a block, a city block. And it has like a restaurant, a bunch of antique stores, a little quaint ice cream shop, and it is just adorable. And we stopped there and we took pictures and we got an ice cream and all that stuff. So it was super fun. So I am going to probably fast forward this and put it together. I know this is late and I apologize, but like I've said, I am in that busy season of life right now with all the end of the year things wrapping up. Every day I'm like, okay, tomorrow I'll be free and I can just catch up and take a breath, and then tomorrow comes and it's something new. So, I'm going to try to get tomorrow's video filmed also. This one is going to go up probably late, really late at night, because my internet is super slow. But, again, I apologize. Tomorrow's may go up late also. I don't know. I have multiple doctor's appointments tomorrow. But I'm doing the best I can, y'all. So I appreciate the grace that y'all give me. And y'all still keep coming back and watching. And definitely go and support the people I am scraplifting. So that they can get to their next goal. So with that, I am just going to put this together. And then I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, y'all can see this is going to be the layout. I left this room here so I can do a little bit of journaling in this spot. But you can definitely see where the inspiration came from. So, this is short and sweet, but I hope that you guys enjoy it and that you will definitely go check out Wayfaring Panda and give her a subscribe so she can reach her next goal, and check out everyone else playing along with How to Kill a Kit with Style this month and see what they are doing with their kits. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope that you liked it and that it inspired you, and until next time, bye y'all.